Welcome to Bike Rush, where we break down motorcycles that matter to real riders. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2026 Yamaha TW200, a legendary dual sport that continues to prove why simple, rugged machines never go out of style. The 2026 Yamaha TW200 remains true to its roots as a lightweight, ultra-friendly dual sport motorcycle. Known for its wide tires, low seat height, and go-anywhere attitude, the TW200 is built for riders who want confidence, versatility, and reliability rather than raw speed or complex electronics. Engine and performance. Powering the 2026 TW200 is a dependable 196 cubic centimeters air-cooled, 4-stroke single-cylinder engine. It delivers smooth, predictable power that's ideal for beginners and experienced riders alike. Throttle response is gentle, making it easy to control on loose terrain, rocky trails, or slow urban streets. A 5-speed transmission provides simple gearing that favors low-end torque and easy cruising. One of the TW200's most iconic features is its oversized front and rear tires. These fat tires provide exceptional stability and traction on sand, mud, snow, and gravel. The lightweight chassis and low center of gravity make the bike easy to maneuver, even for shorter or less experienced riders. Suspension travel is tuned for comfort and control rather than aggressive off-road riding. The 2026 Yamaha TW200 keeps its classic, utilitarian design. A compact frame, upright riding position, and minimalist bodywork give it a timeless look. The bike feels tough and purposeful, built to handle daily use and rough conditions without complaint. Its simplicity is part of its charm, with easy maintenance and proven long-term durability. With a low seat height and relaxed ergonomics, the TW200 is exceptionally approachable. Riders can comfortably plant their feet on the ground, boosting confidence in tricky situations. The upright handlebar position reduces fatigue, making the bike suitable for long trail rides, casual commuting, or exploring back roads at a relaxed pace. The 2026 TW200 focuses on essentials rather than advanced electronics. It features a simple analog instrument cluster that provides clear, easy-to-read information. This stripped-down approach enhances reliability and keeps the riding experience pure and distraction-free. Fuel efficiency is one of the TW200's strongest points. The small engine sips fuel, making it an economical choice for daily use or extended adventures. Its lightweight design and durability also make it popular for farm work, camping trips, and remote area exploration where dependability matters most. The 2026 Yamaha TW200 is perfect for beginners, adventure-minded riders, and anyone who values simplicity. It's ideal for learning, casual trail riding, rural commuting, or just having fun at a relaxed pace. Riders looking for high-speed performance may want more power, but those seeking confidence and versatility will appreciate what the TW200 offers. The 2026 Yamaha TW200 proves that timeless design and proven engineering never go out of fashion. With its friendly nature, rugged build, and unmatched versatility, it remains one of the most approachable dual-sport motorcycles on the market. For riders who want a dependable, fun, and confidence-inspiring machine, the TW200 continues to be a standout choice. Stay tuned to Bike Rush for more motorcycle reviews, insights, and rider-focused content.